Since I was starting to run out of time on these epoxy nightlights, trying to get them done in time for Christmas, I figured while the epoxy was curing on the top piece for the Thomas the Train one, I should go ahead and hop on the bandsaw and cut off the bottoms of Mater and the Megalodon epoxy pieces that I was working on. This will kind of move them a little bit further along. Plus, I can get my buffing wheel set up on the lathe, take the chuck that I've got, the Thomas piece in off, and start polishing them up and making these two look really good.